Hello friends, so welcome back to your channel. Students, we are going to take today 15.4 practice set. Now we are on page number 99. We are going to start area of triangle. First we understand what exactly the area of triangle formula is. Okay, so let's start our video. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel. If you really like the video, please share and comment your views also. Okay, so area of triangle, we know that area of triangle is 1 upon 2 into base into height. Now, if we want to find the area of triangle, if height is not given, but the length of three sides is given in the triangle, okay? So here in the figure, let ABC be the length of the side BC, AC, BC respectively of triangle ABC. Let us find the semi-perimeter of the triangle. So semi-perimeter of the triangle means S is equal to half of A plus B plus C here. Okay, then area of triangle is under root S in bracket S minus A, another in bracket S minus B, and another in bracket S minus C. So this formula basically is known as Heron's formula. Okay, so we need to understand two formula of area of triangle. First is area of triangle and another is Heron's formula. Okay, so we have to write here area of triangle. As we know that area of triangle is nothing but 1 upon 2 into base into height. Okay, and as far as Heron's formula is concerned, again area of triangle, when the three sides are given in the question, so S is equal to, first we need to find the S, that is semi-perimeter, A plus B plus C upon 2. Then area of triangle, in this case we have the formula here. Okay, so what is the formula? In under root S in bracket S minus A, then S minus B, and the third bracket is S minus C. Okay, so these are the two formulas. We need to understand it properly. Okay, whenever the three sides are given in the question, we need to put Heron's formula, but before that we need to find the S also, that is A plus B plus C. All the three values we need to add it and divided by 2, we'll get the value of S. Then after that we need to put the area of triangle, and in that S we need to put the substitute the values of those, then we'll get the answer. Okay, so I already written the question, so let's start our first question. Okay, the sides of a triangle, it is given in the question here also. Sides of a triangle are 45, 39 and 42 centimeter. Find its area. Now see here three sides are given. So suppose first side we have to assume A, second is B, and the third is C. Okay, first we need to find the value of S. Then after that we need to find the Heron's formula, that area of triangle. Okay, so let's start the first question. Okay, I have already written the question, so just write it down. Suppose here, we need to assume here the value of A is the first value 45 centimeter, then the value of B is 39 centimeter, and the value of C, that is the third side, is 42 centimeter. Now what we have to do is, first we have to take out the value of S. So for the semi-perimeter we have the formula A plus B plus C upon 2. Okay, so let's substitute the value. So the value of A is 45 plus value of B is 39 and the value of C is 42 divided by 2. Okay, so we need to add all the three values here. See here, 9 plus 2 plus 9 is 11, 11 plus 5 is 16. So 16 ka 6, 1 carry, 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11 and plus 1 carry ka 12. So it is 126 divided by 2. So we need to divide it. So 2 6 are 12 here and 2 3 are 6. So the value of S is 63. So therefore the value of S is 63. Now we need to find the area of triangle. So we have the area of triangle. Area of triangle, it is in the under root. So area of triangle in under root S in bracket S minus A, bracket close, then S minus B, bracket close, then S minus C here. Okay, chalo come on, substitute the value now. In under root, the value of S we got it 63. So we need to write down 63, then open the bracket, 63 minus what is the value of A? 45. So 45 bracket close. Then S minus B, so the value of S is 63 minus the value of B is 39. Again bracket close. Okay, so now S minus C, so the value of S is 63 minus the value of C is 42. Okay, so what we have to do is, it's very simple. Okay, 63 we need to write it down in under root, and all the three bracket we need to subtract it. Okay, it is 42, subtract it. So 63 minus 45, 15 and 3, 18. Okay, so it is 18 in bracket. Then bracket open, 63 minus 39, then 140, then 21 and plus 3 is 24. Okay, orally we can subtract it, friends. Okay, so 42 plus 8 is 50, then 8 and 10 60, and then 3 is 21, 18 plus 3 21, so 21. Okay, now what we have to do is, we need to multiply all the three values now here. Okay, so we need to multiply here three value. Okay, in either way also you can do it, friends. Okay, this 9 7s are 63, 9 2s are 18, then 4 6s are 24, then 7 3s are 21. Okay, let's multiply it. Okay, so multiplication, 63 multiply by 18 multiply by 24 multiply by 21. Now see here, we need to break up the value, that is 9 7s are 63. Okay, so we need to split it up, 9 7s are, okay, multiply by 9 2s are this 18. Okay, then here 24, so 4 6s are 24. Okay, and multiply 21 will remain as it is, only 7 3s are 21. 7, we don't have the square root of 7 and 3 also. Now here the square root of 9 is 3, so we need to take out the 3. Okay, and again the square root of 9 is 3, so again we have to take out the 3, and the square root of 4 is 2, so again we have to take, and in under root whatever the remaining is there, we need to write it down here. So here 7 multiply by 2 multiply by 6 and multiply by 21. Okay, so here 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, so 18. Now in bracket mein 7 2s are 14, 14 into 6, we need to write it down. Okay, so 14 into 6, 4 6 are 24, 2 carry, 4 1s are 4, 84, then 84 into 21. Okay, that gives you 84 into 21, it is 1764. Okay, so it is 1764. Now friends, what you have to do is, we need to take out the square root of 1764. Now 1764, the square root of 1764 is 42. We can easily take out by division method. Okay, so 18 into the square root of 1764 is 42. Okay, 42, so we need to write down here 42. So 18 into 42, 4 2s are 18, 4s are, okay, 72, and 18 2s are 50, 36, 72, 36, 756. So our final answer is 756 centimeter square. Okay, now let's do a little rough work here. I'll show you how to take out, okay, the square root. Now it is a bigger value, we don't know the square root of 1764. So by division method we can easily take out 1764. What we have to do is, we need to pairing both this value. Now see the 17, it is coming into the 4 ka square, 4 4s are 16. So we need to take here 4 4s are 16 here. Okay, 7 minus 6 is 1. Now again 4 we need to add it. Okay, then the 4 plus 4 is 8 here. Then 164 also we need to bring down here. Now after 8 we need to take such value that if you multiply the same value, we'll get 164 here. See here, 82 2s are 82 2s are 2 to the 4, 2 8s are 16. See here 164. So 82 2s are 164. 4. So we get the value here. So the final answer is 42, which we have written here. So 1764, the square root of 1764 is 42. We can easily take out by division method. We already learned in the 7th standard, friends. Okay. So this is our answer, 756 centimeters square. Okay. I hope you understood this method. Now let's go to the next question. Okay, next question, I already draw the figure and along with the questions. So look at the measures shown in the adjacent figure. Find the area of the triangle quadrilateral PQRS. Okay, so in this case also we need to be very careful. See here, PSR. Now PSR, angle S is 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem we can easily take out the value of PR. Okay, once we get the value of PR, we can easily take out the semi perimeter. Okay, all this value we need to add it, semi perimeter, this one. Okay, then after semi perimeter, then we can easily find out the area of the triangle by Heron's formula. Okay, so first of all we need to find out in triangle PSR, angle S is 90 degree. So angle S we need to write down here 90 degree. So whenever we got a right angle triangle, we need to apply here Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, okay, in Pythagoras theorem we need to take the hypotenuse square because it is the longest side of the triangle. So PR is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. So PR square is equal to PS square plus SR square. So PR square we need to find it out. What is the value of PS is 36. So 36 ka square, and SR is 15. So 15 ka square here. Okay. So PR square is equal to 36 ka square is 96 to 96 1296. Okay. So 1296 is the square of 36, and 15 ka square is very easy, 225. Okay, so PR square is equal to, we need to add it, 6, 5, 11, 9, 10, 12, 1 carry, 2, 2, 4, 5, and again 1 ka 1. Okay, so 1, 5, 2, 1. Okay, now we need to take out the PR. So it is square is there, square we have to send on the equal to sign. It will come into the under root now. So therefore PR is equal to 1521. So again we need to follow the division method to take out the value of square root. So if you remember, PR is equal to the square root of 1529 is 39. That is 39 ka square, 1521. So 1521 ka square root is 39. You can find out by using the division method, which we have already done in the question number 1. Okay. So now the PR is 39 here. Now what we have to do is we need to take out the perimeter. So A, B and C. Okay. So in triangle PQR, okay, so we need to take out the value of S first of all. So S is equal to, we have three values, 39, then 25. Okay, then after that 39, 25 and 56, this one. So 56 plus 25 plus 39 upon 2. Okay, so we need to add all these three values, 5, 6, 11, 11 and 9, 20, 20 ka 0. Okay, okay, now what we do is we can easily divide this value also. Okay, if you divide it, you can easily take out this value, or otherwise you can add all these values and divide by 2 also. Okay, so it is 14, 6, 20, 0 to carry 3, 5, 5, 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So 120 divided by 2. So it is 2, 6 are 12 and it is 60. So the value of S we got it 60. Now we need to put here area of triangle. So area of triangle, we know the formula of area of triangle. It is S in under root में in bracket S minus A, again in bracket S minus B, again in bracket S minus C. Okay, So what is the value of s? So under root में s value is 60. So again 60 minus what is the value of a here? A is 56. Then again 60 minus value of b is 25. Again 60 minus value of c is 39. Okay, first we need to subtract it, all these three bracket. So 60 in bracket, 60 minus 56 is 4. Then 60 minus 25 is 35. Then 60 minus 39 is 21. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to multiply all these four values. Okay, so is equal to under root में 60 into 4 into 35 into 21 last value. Okay, so if we multiply it 64 240, then 240 35 into 21, that gives you 35 to 70 and 31, that is give you 400. Okay, then 1764, so it is 176. Okay, so 176. Now 1764 we already got it the square root 42 in the previous question, so we need to write 42 and we need to put 10 here. So it is given meter. Okay, centimeter, so centimeter square, centimeter square, 420 meter square centimeter. Okay, question it is given meter. Okay, meter is there, friends. This is not C, it is a meter. So meter square. Okay, meter is given. Now we got the we find the area of quadrilateral PQRS again. So again for the quadrilateral PQRS we need to find the triangle PSR also. Okay, so we need to take the base into height. So we need to find out area of triangle PSR. Okay, so it is 1/2 into base into height. So it is 1/2 into base is we got it 15 and the height is 36. So we need to divide by 36 by 2, so which gives you 18. So 1 into 15 is 15 into 18. So 15 18s are 40 and 27. So 270. Okay, meter square. Okay, now both this triangle we got the value, so we need to just add it. Both this triangle, so we got the quadrilateral PQRS. Okay, so area of quadrilateral PQRS. Okay, so we need to add area of triangle PSR plus area of triangle PQR. See here, area of triangle PSR and PQR, we need to both add it, so we get a value of PQRS here. So area of triangle PSR we got it 270. Okay, we got it 270 here, plus area of triangle PQR we got it 420. Okay, here 420. So if we add both the values 000, 729 and 4 plus 2 is 6. So our final answer is 690 meter square. Okay, so it's very interesting. A little bit calculation is there in the question, but it's very interesting and you can easily solve it by using the division method. Okay, for taking out the square root of the bigger number and putting the values, we can easily find out. Okay, so I understood the second question. So let's have the last question of the practice set, question number 3rd. Okay, third questions which I have already written here. Some measures are given in the adjacent figure. Find the area of, again, A, B, C, D. We need to find it out. Okay, so we have not written the value in the textbook. It is given A and B here. So we need to write here A and here D. This is T and this is C as per the textbook. Okay, so this is also very simple. What we have to do is, first we need to take out the value of area of triangle BDC. Okay, area of triangle BDC. Then after that BAD. Okay, if both the values we got it, we can easily find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, so directly we can find out first area of triangle BDC. So we know that 1 upon 2 into base into height, so is equal to 1 upon 2 into, what is the base here? So base is here 13. Okay, base is 60 and the height is 13 here. So this is 30, 2 3 is 6 and 0. So 30 into 13. Okay, so 30 into 13, 13 3 is 39 and this 0. So first answer we got it 390 meters square. Okay, now area of triangle BAD. So again area of triangle BAD we need to take 1 upon 2 into base into height. See BAD here. So again 1 upon 2 into, so the base is here. Okay, so the base is here 20, suppose. Okay, you can write 9 and the height is 40. So again we need to divide by 220 by 40. So we get 20. So 1 into 9, 9. 9 into 20 is 180 meters square. Okay, now we got both the triangle area, so we can easily find out ABCD also. So we need to write it area of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, so equal to, we need to add both this triangle. So area of triangle BDC plus area of triangle BAD. So just add it both this value. So BDC we got it 390 and BAD we got it 180. So just we need to add 0 0 0 3 9 at 17, 1 carry 3 4 and carry 1 5. So 570 meters square is our final answer of ABCD. Okay, so this is all the 3 questions basis on the Heron's formula and the area of triangle. So I hope you understood this video. Okay, so thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself.